Okay, I guess it's been about a year since I carried out the original repair for the leak, and the first bit of good news is that it seems to be completely dry in the well of the boot where the spare tyre goes. This is the first time I've seen the car in about a year. My daughter's taken it away. And up here there's the repair after I finished it. It looks a mess. You can see that the rainwater obviously runs down the gutter and runs all across that. So if I wipe that off, you can get some idea of what the finish was like. There you go. So I painted it. It's very hard to get a view in there. There we go. I painted it over with a black jack, which is a bitumen paint, and then I went over it with a white paint, and then I went over the white paint with a clear lacquer. Actually painting it was quite difficult because you can see these struts. I've had to protect those, and here absolutely everywhere. Basically the whole car is completely covered in plastic. Getting the paint up round here is very difficult, so essentially I wasted an entire can, quite a large can of paint on there, but the effect I think is worthwhile. It's basically covered it in quite a thick layer of paint and then quite a thick layer of lacquer on top of that, and the net effect is it doesn't leak anymore. So for the want of the cost of a few cans of paint, I'm willing to put up with that. But anyway, all seems to be good, and a year on it still seems to be working.